Hello, children! This week, we're learning about the letter P. Can you think of words that start with the letter P? Good! You're right! Parrot, plane. There are lots of words that start with the letter P. What do you call these little dogs that are running around? That's right, they're puppies. Our color of the week is lime green. What kind of things can you think of that are the color lime green? Some shoes are lime green. Slime is lime green. This week, our number is the number 15. It's very easy to draw the number 15. And we are also going to write the word 15. See? That was pretty easy. Our shape is a right angle. Lots of things have right angles. Our board has a right angle. Windows have right angles. Our sight words are the, three, say, and she. Why don't you try to make some sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week.